Hi there, my name is Farhan. I'm the Fabrication Manager for Arts team. So basically we have two studios, the Carpentry studio and the Fab Lab. This semester we have held three workshops: lighting workshop, the Carpentry workshop, and the laser engraving workshop. So you might want to come down and join us to explore even more.
Hi, I'm Ching. I recently attended the lighting workshop conducted by Arts in the Black Box. I signed up for this workshop because I'm in several dance groups in school, and in anticipation of the performance next semester, I decided to sign up for this workshop to learn about the lights and to explore about how we can use these lights for our performances. So some things I took away from this workshop is that I learned how to overlay different lights for different performances, and also how to call the lights and help the technicians when we're having our light plot for the dance performance.
Hi, welcome to the Carpentry studio. In our recent workshop, students learned how to make a bedside stand. Down here, you can learn basic carpentry skills such as cutting, using manual hand tools, and basic woodworking. So currently, students come in to just learn basic woodworking, and some are even making their own guitar stands and also their own personal projects. Other than that, they can also make something else like this boot drop.
Welcome to the Fabrication Studio. In the recent laser engraving workshop, we show students how to load their files into Adobe Illustrator, show them the difference between a vector file and a raster file, and how cutting and engraving would look like on their workpieces. Also showing them the difference between cutting on wood and acrylic and other different materials. At the end of the workshop, participants brought home keychains designed and made by themselves here in the studio. We'll guide you on how to do most of the stuff here, but it always begins with an idea.